Can you hear me now, teacher? Can you hear me now, teacher? Teacher, teacher, can you hear me?
Okay, Tono. Okay, so
Can
we
you
have
hear
here.
me?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, but
Can you
still I
hear
cannot
me?
hear you. Oh, it's okay. So teacher Ann cannot hear you tonight.
Oh.
Okay, so we have here Tono agreement. Agreement is as he will say, I agree with you 100%. I cannot agree with you more. Okay, that's true. That's for sure. Absolutely, exactly. So these are the things that will tell you that you agree. This is what we call agreements. It means you agree. You say yes or no. Okay. These are disagreement. It means you did not say yes. It is no. You disagree. You don't like the idea. You disagree. It means you don't like the idea. Okay, I don't think so. No way. I'm afraid. I totally disagree. I beg to differ. I'd say the exact opposite. That's not always true. No, I'm not so sure about that. So these are disagreement. Okay. Now, we have here, please try to match the topics on the left with the opinions on the right. Topics on the left with the opinions on the right. Okay, write the letter of your choice.
Okay.
Just write the letter of your choice.
House compare.
Okay. So number two, letter D, religions. Okay, correct. Three, oh, correct. It's household pets. And four is letter B. Letter B, Tono. B, sorry, letter A, Olympic Games. Okay, they are a great way for people to develop pride in their country. Okay, next one, give your opinions about each picture. Children bullying. Okay, so Tono, what can you say about children bullying? Okay, please, since I cannot hear you, please try to tell me or please try to write about children bullying. Okay, since teacher cannot hear you, please write your answer in the chat box about children bullying. Okay, what is your opinion about children bullying? Your
I'm finished, teacher. I'm finished, teacher. I'm finished, teacher.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, finished teacher. Okay, so here I don't agree with this act. Some children have bully. Okay, have bully. I don't agree with this act. Some children being bullied are depressed. Okay, being victim. Okay, like this of bullying or depressed. Okay, so some children bully very evil with students or the people they hate in school. some students being bullied with evil students or people, and now they hate school. Okay, this is what you mean? Okay, next one. So children bullying is not good. Look at what this girl done to the other girls. Okay,
Yeah.
volunteers collect rubbish. Okay, look at this. So, okay, how about this? What can you say about this? Volunteers collect rubbish. What can you say about this? Just very short, Tono, ha? Do not make it long. Please tell me about this. Volunteers collect rubbish. Again, you write in the chat box. Just short. What can you say?
Okay.
Dạ, dạ thôi. Con thấy chua quá.
Okay, so what do you have here? Okay, let me see. Okay, where is your answer? About this one. Okay, I agree, this activity, the activity is good. We can protect the environment and people's health. Very good. Okay, good sentence, Tono. Very good. So they are trying to protect and the help environment. Okay, Children use smartphones. Children, okay. Children use smartphone. What can you say about this?
Mai chủ nhật mai ló chị.
Con còn đi học nữa. Rồi.
I finished. Sure. That way.
Ba.
Okay, finish. Okay. Children use smartphone. I agree this, but I have somewhat disagree with this too. So you agree, but somehow you also disagree. Children can use for study or for fun, but don't use too much because smartphone affect to their health, especially to their eyes. Okay, very good, Tono. Okay, another one. Okay, please, people are giving their opinion. Are this statement true or false? Please listen, okay?
1,
I think more attention should be given to studying foreign languages at school. Don't you?
Sure, absolutely. I think students should be required to learn Spanish. It's easy to learn, and it will help them get better jobs.
2,
I think lawyers have the best jobs in the world. What do you think?
I'm not sure I agree. It's true that lawyers make a lot of money, but they also have to work really hard.
3,
The programs on TV these days are the worst.
Okay, wait.
I think more attention should be given to studying foreign languages. Don't you?
Sure,
Okay, can you hear
absolutely.
it, Tono?
I
What
think
happened? There's
students
no
should be
sound.
required
Can you
to
hear?
learn Spanish. It's
Oh,
easy to
can you
learn,
hear?
and it will help them get better jobs.
2,
I think lawyers have the best jobs in the world. What do you think?
I'm not sure I agree. It's true.
Don't.
Absolutely. I think students should be easy to learn. It will help them get better jobs.
2,
I think lawyers have the best jobs in the world. What do you think?
I'm not sure I agree. It's true that lawyers make a lot of money, but they also have to work really hard.
3,
Everything is terrible.
You're right about that. I think it's because most TV programs are written for teenagers. There's nothing for older people to enjoy.
4,
Have you used the bus lately? It's awful.
I know. The last time I took the bus, I had to wait for an hour for it to come, and the driver was really rude.
5,
Do you ever use the internet to buy things? I've started using it lately, and I love it. How about you?
Well, I don't know. I'd rather shop at stores. Shopping on the internet is fast, but I like to try things on before I buy them.
6,
I'm telling you, this rainy weather is driving me crazy. I hate it.
I understand how you feel, but I'm actually glad it's finally been raining recently. You see, it's really good for my garden.
Okay. Okay, so we have, he thinks Spanish is hard. True, very good. She thinks lawyers work hard. Correct. He thinks most TV programs are for old people. And he had to wait an hour for the bus. And 5 and 6 is the rain is good for her garden. Okay, very good. Yay, great job. Okay, so this one, Tono, what do you think of technology? What do you think of technology, Tono? When I ask you, what do you think of technology?
I
What can you
think is good for our life, but I think if we use too much, its effect or health or eyes.
Okay, so it means technology. Do you think technology is important or no?
I think some good, but some not good.
Okay, so sometimes it brings good and sometimes it brings worse, right? Technology,
Yes.
of course, today technology is very helpful as you can see. Okay, every one of us is using technology nowadays. It's very helpful. You can see everywhere there is technology. Hey, what are your feelings about cyberbullying? What are your feelings about cyberbullying?
I think I feel really sad, and I think and sometimes I had some good for myself. I think it's a lie. They hate me. They had a has a capability.
Okay, this cyberbullying. Okay, cyberbullying is a form of bullying through online. That is what we call cyberbullying. You will be bullied through online. So we call it or know as cyberbullying. So cyberbullying is not really good. Okay, it's not good to be cyberbullied. Okay, not at all. It's not really good to experience cyberbullying at all. Okay. So what is your opinion of urban development? What is your opinion about urban development?
Uh, Open development.
Yeah.
Uh,
Development
he
is
is. I think is beautiful and a very big, but but I think mm, is so much uh the soil, and but I think sometimes it's very beautiful, pretty, and uh uh has more for modern for the city.
okay. So of course, when you speak of urban development, you can see the city buildings are being developed. Urban, it means city. So urban development is where the city being developed. So we call it urban development. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So here, what are your thoughts, Tono, of learning online? So we are learning online. What are your thoughts? What do you think about this? Do you think it is good or not good?
I think has some good because I can study everywhere, but I feel it's not good because when learning online, I uh has something big problem with a phone or laptop.
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's sometimes problem. But the phone, the laptop,
Yeah.
internet, time. But the most important thing is you were able to speak to other people, like what you did now. You speak to me. You can speak to foreign people. You can speak to foreigner because it's online. So anywhere in the place, you can do that. Do you like learning online in English? Tono?
Very much because I think
It is?
uh, speak with the head to uh,